Welcome to Senior Classroom. Today, we're diving deep into the world of software development, exploring the crucial question: are we following the best practices when creating applications? Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting on your coding journey, join us as we unravel essential tips to elevate your development process. From maintaining comprehensive requirement documents to implementing robust error logging and monitoring systems, we've got you covered with 8 key points that can make a significant impact on your software projects. Stay tuned as we break down each point and discuss why these practices are crucial for building efficient and scalable applications. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your coding skills and take your development game to the next level. If you're passionate about coding and dedicated to writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code, this video is tailor-made for you. Let's embark on this coding adventure together. Hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our coding insights. Get ready to optimize your development workflow and create top-notch applications. Let's code smarter, not harder. All right, let's jump into the nitty-gritty of software development best practices. Here are the key points that can truly make a difference in your coding journey. Point 1. Maintain requirement document. Keep your project on track by maintaining a clear requirement document. It's your project's GPS. Point 2. Proper folder structure. Navigate your code like a pro with a proper folder structure. A tidy code base is a happy code base. Point 3. Proper naming conventions. Make your code readable with consistent naming conventions. Clarity is key. Point 4. No hard coding of values. Avoid the headache of hard-coded values. Use configs for URLs, paths, and configuration-specific values. Flexibility matters. Point 5. Maintain consistency. Consistency is the name of the game. Keep your codebase smooth and predictable. Point 6. Proper error logging. Don't let bugs hide. Implement proper error logging and monitoring. Catch those bugs in action. Point 7. Unit testing. Test like a boss. Unit testing ensures your code does what it's supposed to do. Confidence in every line. Point 8. Separate configs for environments. Different environments, different configs. Use separate configurations for development, QA, and production. No surprises. Point 9. Version control system. Manage your code like a pro. Use a version control system, your code's history at your fingertips. Woo! That was a deep dive into some essential software development best practices. I hope you found these tips valuable and that they inspire you to level up your coding game. Remember, coding is not just about writing lines of code, it's about writing efficient, maintainable, and scalable solutions. By incorporating these best practices into your workflow, you're not just building applications, you're building a foundation for success. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow developers, and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. We're on a mission to make coding more enjoyable and efficient for everyone. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on software development best practices, drop them in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to our channel Senior Classroom. Until next time, happy coding, and remember, code smarter, not harder.